Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Sam and Zoe. I am so happy you are here today. I am Zoe.
And I am Sam. Welcome, welcome. It is great to have you with us today.
Today, we are going to talk about something we all do every single day, our morning routine.
That is right. Every morning we wake up and we do certain things. And today we are going to talk about those things in simple, natural English.
By the end of this conversation, you will learn useful vocabulary for talking about your morning, how to describe your daily habits, and how to have a real conversation about everyday life.
So get comfortable, relax, and let us get started.
Okay, Sam, let me ask you something. What is the very first thing you do in the morning?
Oh, that is a great question. Honestly, the very first thing I do is turn off my alarm. I press snooze at least 2 times before I actually get up.
Oh, really? I do the same thing. I press snooze and then I think, okay, just 5 more minutes. And then suddenly it's 30 minutes later.
Exactly. It is so hard to get out of bed sometimes, especially in winter when it's cold outside.
Yes, in winter, the bed feels so warm and comfortable. But I have a trick that helps me wake up faster.
Oh, what is your trick? Tell me.
Open the curtains right away. When the sunlight comes in, my brain thinks, okay, it's daytime, time to wake up. It really works.
That is such a good idea. I actually do something similar. I drink a big glass of water right after I wake up. It helps me feel more awake very quickly.
Oh, I've heard that's very good for your body, too. Water wakes up your system after a long sleep.
Yes, exactly. Our bodies need water in the morning. We sleep for 7 or 8 hours, and we do not drink anything during that time.
That is so true. I never thought about it that way. So after you drink your water, what do you do next?
I wash my face with cold water. Cold water is a little shocking at first, but it really wakes me up fast.
Cold water sounds a little scary to me in the morning. I prefer warm water on my face. It feels nice and gentle.
That makes sense. Everyone is different, and that's what makes morning routines so interesting. No two people do the same thing.
I completely agree. Okay, so after I wash my face, I brush my teeth, and then I get dressed. I always choose my clothes the night before so I don't waste time in the morning.
Oh, that's very smart. I don't do that. I spend too much time in the morning looking at my clothes and thinking, what should I wear today?
That is so funny. I used to do that too. But now I prepare everything the night before. My clothes, my bag, everything. It makes the morning so much easier.
I really need to try that. It sounds like it saves a lot of time.
It does. And when your morning is calm and organized, you feel much better for the rest of the day.
That is a really good point. A good morning can put you in a good mood for the whole day.
Absolutely. Okay, listeners, how about you? What's the first thing you do in the morning? Think about it.
Okay, Zoe, let us talk about breakfast. Do you eat breakfast every morning?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. I think breakfast is very important. They say breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
I agree, but I have to be honest, some mornings I'm in a hurry and I skip breakfast. I know, it is not good.
Oh, Sam, you should not skip breakfast. When you skip breakfast, you feel tired and hungry very quickly.
You're completely right. On the days I skip breakfast, I cannot concentrate. My brain feels slow until lunchtime.
Exactly. Food gives us energy. Without breakfast, our brain does not work well in the morning.
So what do you usually eat for breakfast, Zoe?
I usually have something simple. I like toast with peanut butter, or sometimes eggs, and I always have a cup of tea. I cannot start my morning without tea.
Oh, I love tea too. I drink coffee in the morning though. I need that caffeine to wake up properly.
Yes, a lot of people need their morning coffee. It has become like a morning ritual for so many people.
It really has. I make my coffee first thing and it makes me feel like, okay, now the day can begin.
That is so sweet. For me, it's my cup of tea. I sit quietly for 10 minutes with my tea before the day gets busy. It's my little peaceful moment.
That sounds really nice. I think it's important to have a quiet moment in the morning before everything gets stressful.
Totally agree. Even just 5 or 10 minutes of calm in the morning can change your whole day.
Okay, so after breakfast, what's next for you? How do you get ready to leave the house?
After breakfast, I check my schedule for the day. I look at what I need to do, any meetings, any tasks. I make a small mental plan.
Oh, that is a good habit. I do something similar. I write a quick to-do list in the morning, just 3 or 4 things I want to finish that day.
I love that. A short to-do list feels manageable. If the list is too long, it becomes overwhelming.
Exactly. Keep it simple. 3 important things. If you finish those, the day is a success.
And then finally, before I leave, I always do a quick check. Phone, keys, bag. I say it like a little chant. Phone, keys, bag.
Huh, that's great. I do something similar. I have forgotten my keys before and had to go back. Now I always double check.
We've all done that. Okay, I think we have talked about so many good things today.
Yes, we talked about waking up, morning habits, breakfast, and getting ready for the day. I really enjoyed this conversation.
Me too. And before we say goodbye, let me share some important vocabulary words from today's episode. Number 1, routine, the things you do regularly every day. Number 2, snooze, to press a button to delay your alarm. Number 3, curtains, fabric that covers your window. Number 4, skip, to not do something. Number 5, ritual, something you do regularly that feels special or important. Number 6, schedule, a plan of what you will do and when.
Great words, Zoe. And now I have a fun question for all of you listening. Tell us in the comments, are you a morning person or a night person? And what is one thing you always do in the morning? We would love to read your answers.
Yes, please write in the comments. We read every single one and we love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. Keep practicing your English every day. Even small practice makes a big difference.
That is so true. Every little step counts. We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, take care, and have a wonderful day.